Good afternoon, everyone. Let's talk about the kinds of fractions. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of a rule. It represents one and more equal parts of a whole object. Example, 3/4. 3 is the numerator. This is the fraction bar or division bar, and 4 is the denominator. Kinds of fractions. We have proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, complex fraction, similar fraction, and dissimilar fraction. Let's say proper fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator, meaning ang numerator mas gamay sa denominator ang iyang value or ang iyang number. Example, we have 3/4, 10/20, 6/15, 2/6, and 1/4. As we can observe, in the number, mas gamay ang number sa numerator kaysa denominator. Let's proceed to improper fraction. Whose numerator is equal or greater than the denominator, meaning ang numerator magkaparehas sa denominator or ang numerator mas dako ang number kaysa denominator. Example, 8/4, 9/6, 32/20, 55/4, and 9/9. So this fraction, this example fraction, mas dako ang numerator kaysa denominator. And this another example is makaparehas ang numerator o denominator. And that's what we call improper fraction. Next, we have the mixed fraction. The mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. So, na siya whole number o na siya proper fraction. Example, 5 and 2/4, 1 and 1/6, 3 and 6/20, 2 and 1/4, 6 and 3/9. So, naa siya mga whole number of proper fractions, and that's what we call mixed fraction. Next, we have complex fraction. The numerator and denominator is a fraction or a mixed fraction. Example, 2/3 over 1/2. 10/15/3, 6/10. 5 and 2/7 over 7 and 9/10. Next, we have similar fractions. Fractions having the same denominator. So, kung magkaparehas ang number sa denominator, mao na atong ginatawag na similar fractions. Example, 3/20, 10/20, 6/20, 2/20, and 1/20. So, the same sila o denominator o ang number na nag-same is 20. Next, we have the similar fraction. Fractions having different denominators. So, dili sila parehas o denominator. Naglahi-lahi. Example, 3/9, 10 over 50, 6 over 12, 2 over 20, 1 over 23. So as you observe, dili sila parehas of denominator. And that's what we call similar fraction. Okay, let's try this. 5 over 2. What kind of fraction it is? Proper fraction, mixed fraction, improper fraction, or complex fraction? Yes, it is improper fraction because the numerator 5 is greater than the denominator 2. 6 over 9. What kind of fraction it is? Yes, it is proper fraction because the numerator 6 is less than the denominator 9. 6 and 3/4. Yes, it is a mixed fraction because it is combination of two numbers and a proper fraction. 50 over 25. Yes, it is improper fraction because the numerator 50 is greater than the denominator 25. What kind of fractions it is? And it's 3 over 25, 1 over 14, 3 over 10, and 12 over 6. Similar fraction or dissimilar fraction? Yes, it is dissimilar fraction because the denominator are different. Okay, that's all for this day. And congratulations, and you're done watching the video about the kinds of fractions.